How to use Claude projects for team collaboration. Did you know Claude can transform into a shared team workspace where your entire department uses the same knowledge base? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to set up Claude projects for team collaboration in 2026. Claude projects are available on Claude Team and Enterprise plans. They let you create a shared workspace with a persistent knowledge base that your entire team can access together. Step 1. Confirm you are on a team or enterprise plan. Go to Claude.ai, click your account icon and check your plan. Step 2. Go to the Projects section. On Claude.ai, click Projects in the left sidebar. Step 3. Create a new project. Click New Project and give it a clear name like Q4 Marketing Campaign or Product Roadmap Planning. Step 4. Set visibility. Choose private if only invited people should access it, or public if everyone in your organization should see it. Step 5. Add team members. Click Share Project and add people by email. Select Can use if they can only chat, or can edit if they can modify everything. Step 6. Upload project knowledge. Click Add knowledge and upload documents, PDFs, code files, or paste text. Claude references this in every conversation. Step 7. Set custom instructions. Write instructions that apply to all conversations. For example, always respond as a marketing strategist and use a friendly tone. Step 8. Start team conversations. Team members can now click into the project and chat with Claude. It automatically has access to all knowledge and instructions. Step 9. Share insights through activity feeds. When someone finds useful analysis, they can post it to the activity feed so everyone sees it without asking Claude again. Step 10. Keep knowledge updated. Team members with Can Edit can add new documents and update instructions as your project evolves. Pro tip: treat your project knowledge base like a living system, not a document dump. Update it regularly and have new team members spend their first day reading through it. This cuts their learning curve dramatically. So to recap, go to Projects, create a new project, add team members with the Share button, upload documents to the knowledge base, write custom instructions, start team conversations, and use activity feeds to share insights. If this helped you set up Claude projects, hit the like button and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me how your team is using Claude projects. See you in the next one.